first step is to place 1 tablespoon of sugar. Alright, place 1 tablespoon sugar each in there.
Open this, kind sir. Thank you, my lady.
Oh my god. So you need 1 cup for each small sealable bag. Is this gonna be enough?
Yes. Never say never. Alright, that's enough. Right in.
Oh. We should probably have done like 1/3 cup.
Yeah.
Add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
I know.
Alright, how much is this thing?
2 cups.
We'll count this as 3 cups. Alright, then add half cup of salt to the bag.
So here's your 1/2 cup of salt, and we're gonna be pouring it in here.
What do you think the salt will do?
Evaporate.
Okay, it will melt the ice actually. Put 1 of the small bags you prepared into the large bag with the ice cubes.
Okay. Here's small bag number 1. It goes in here.
Make sure both bags are sealed correctly.
Aye.
$2,000 years later.
Okay, I think that's been 5 minutes. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Bruh.
Okay, there's ice cream number 1. Looks very appealing, if I do say so. Okay, now we're gonna add another 3 cups of ice.
It was 4 cups.
Okay. Alright, here's our 2nd cup. Here's our 3rd cup. Here's our 4th cup. Make sure it's closed. Alright. Put it in. And now we shake.
1 eternity later.
Alright, so overall, this is the part of the ice cream where we didn't put salt in with the ice, and it's pretty clear that it's pretty liquidy right now. So I'm pretty sure the reason why this is liquidy and didn't freeze is because we didn't put salt in with the ice, and since the salt wasn't there, the ice wouldn't melt, and the overall temperature was much higher than if we did put the salt.
Salt allowed us to form ice cream because as the ice cube started to melt a little bit, the water molecules mixed with the salt molecules, and so they couldn't form an orderly pattern with which to make ice. So the rate at which ice could form on the surface was going down, and the ice was gradually melting. As it is melting, the ice would absorb the heat and thus lower the temperature in the mixture. And so we were able to form ice cream with literally just ice and salt. The ice cream we made was an emulsion, which is a combination of 2 or more liquids that would not normally mix well with each other, but in this case, the fats, the air, and the sugar and the milk all in the ice cream are mixed perfectly. Our project went very good, except for the fact that in the first step, we actually forgot to have the correct amount of milk, so we had to adjust all of our proportions to the actual amount that we had. So if I had to retake it, I would first clarify everything we needed and make more ice cream.
Alright, and this is Henry, who's going to eat the real ice cream, where we actually put salt in the ice rather than not putting salt in the ice. So he's going to eat it and see how it tastes. So how does it taste?
So Eric has something to show you.
So if this lands on head, you're gonna give us 100 on this IPC project and the final exam as well. It's heads.
Dang! In the flesh, Mr. Cotton. We deserve it.